Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Mechabellum FPS drop, shuttering, freezing or the lagging issues on your PC. So there are several solutions that players have found to work. So the first solution is update graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphic driver are one of the primary reasons. So for NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience or manually download from NVIDIA drivers. For AMD, use AMD or download from AMD Support. For Intel, use the Intel driver and Support Assistant, then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check problem fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then check system requirements. Ensure your system meets or exceeds the minimum system requirements. Low-end system may struggle with performance. Check both minimum or recommended requirement, especially the CPU, GPU, and RAM. Then check. Now, the next solution is lower in-game graphics setting. If your system is struggling, adjust the following in-game settings. First is the resolution. Lower the game resolution. Try 1080p if higher. VSync, turn it off to reduce input lag. Texture quality, lower the setting to reduce strain on your GPU. Shadow and effect, set them to low or medium to improve performance. Anti-aliasing, try disabling or lowering it to reduce GPU load. Then simply relaunch the game, then check problem fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, then the next solution is disable background application. Background application can eat up resources and cause stuttering, FPS drop. Disable non-essential programs running in the background, especially streaming apps, browsers, or heavy background software like video editing or the programs. Make a right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. Now here, just look for the unnecessary application, then just close it. Then go to the startups and here just disable all of these. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So just disable all of these. Now the next important setting is adjust power setting. So go to the Windows set and just type here the control panel and open it. Now here you will see the option of power option. Just click on the power option, then just click on the option of create a power plan. Then just select it to the high performance power plan. Then just click on the next, then just click on the create. Now simply restart your PC, then check. Now the next important setting is check for game updates or Windows updates. Sometimes the developer lists patches addressing optimization issue. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. And go to the Windows set, type in the Windows update, and you also need to make sure that your Windows is completely updated to the latest version. Simply click on the option of check for update and update your operating system. Then simply restart your PC, then launch the game and then check. Now the next solution is verify integrity of game files. So simply open up the Steam, click on the gear icon of your game, go to the properties, click on the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. So it will take some time, wait for it, then simply restart your game, then simply launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now the next important setting is disable full screen optimization. Go to your game properties, now click on the install file, then click on the browse option. Now guys, here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. Now make a right click on it, click on the properties, now click on the compatibility. Now here just uncheck this box of compatibility mode and also uncheck this box of disable full screen optimization, then check the box of administrator, then click on the apply, then launch the game, then check. If problem is not with, then just check these two boxes of compatibility mode, choose at the Windows 8 and also check this box or disable full screen optimization, then click on apply, then launch the game, then check. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then reinstall the game. If none of the above solution work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Mechabellum game. This can resolve underlying issues with the game installation. Then restart the PC, then launch the game and then check. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.